Doon mo yan yung mamaya.
Thank you so much. Oh no!
Pakantahon ko siya. Hindi ko na magpakantahon kahit kami ang makanta sa iyo. Kanaknaon ka palangga.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much for the photo and our event whole artist community. What can you say to our community, Mother Earth? She's been here kada mag-event kami, no? Ayun, thank you so much, Nanay!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Wow. Ano yung message? Ano yung message? Thank you. Yay! We're finally here at Vikings and let's start to put this secret into reality. Diba? Hindi ka balo?
Alright, so now we are testing the wall. Now let's do the cleaning so our backdrop will go topic. Rock and roll with that long dress. Walang atrasan na to. This is it. Come on!
Ready na! So tired! Let's get up for our second look. Bye!
Nag-video na ko ha? Ara na sila ko na. Escalator, basta ka.
Yeah! Happy birthday! Hindi ka makato? Vikings!
Mami, first time ko niya mag-pull off sa isa ko surprise party. I'm so scared. Ooh!
Nine, nine! Nine! Yeah! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Nanay! We love you so much! Mwah!
Happy birthday, Lola Rose.
Happy birthday, Tiyay.
Happy birthday, Nanay. We wish you good health and long life. We love you.
Hi tita, happy birthday. I know nga very blessed ka na subong sa imo kabuhi with your 3 beautiful children, but I still pray nga si God i-bless ka pagid sa ibang aspects ng imo life, like your health, peace of mind mo, and of course ang imo nga youth ma-retain mo siya gihapon maskin ang imo nga age nagasaka, no? So stay happy tita and take care.
Happy birthday, my dear friend Rosalie Saruelo Valdebarona. I'm glad to hear that you are now celebrating your 65 years on this earth. Kanami lang kay sigurado gid ko nga happy kagid kay bangod ang imong mga kabataan are both beautiful and successful in their own fields. I'm very sure also nga si Sir Balde happy gid. Nadumduman ko gid sang una. Tingala gid ko no sang upod pa kita sa UP nga bag-o ka pa to nga faculty, no? Graduate sang cum laude, no? Are very rare ang cum laude sang una, and you were one of our first, no, honor graduates sa College of Fisheries then. and you were hired as a faculty member of the College of Fisheries. And I am very glad that Sir Balde wanted to date you, no? Pag-abot niya halin sa Amerika, no? Sa pagkatapos niya sa PhD, hambalan niya gid ako nga i-arrange kid ang inyong first date, no? So that was, I remember, February 14, no? So nagpagwapo gito si Sir Bals, gintawgan kita. Kag naguo ka man, galing may ara ka mo sa church ninyong activity, pero ginambalan ko si Sir Bals nga sugaton ka, madala gid siya sang bulak, madala gid siya sang chocolate, no? And then nag-date pa kamo, sige pa kamo until one evening I joined you for dinner. You invited me and you told me nga nag-propose na si Sir. So I'm so happy nga nagdayunay ka mo, and Sir Balde was really in love with you, and now you are very much blessed, no, with your children. So God bless you more. I pray that the Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make His face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord lift up His countenance upon you and give you peace.
Hi, Ma'am Rose! Happy birthday! Gusto ko lang i-take ang opportunity nga dya para mag-thank you. Thank you, gid ma'am, sa tanan. Tanan nga bulig mo ka namon. Thankful ako sa imo life. Grateful ako kay ikaw ako naging supervisor. Actually, hindi lang supervisor eh. Naging nanay kagid namon ni Johnny. Inalaygayan mo kami. Batyagan gid namon ng imong care. Appreciate namon doon, ma'am, tanan nga pagplangga mo, concern mo ka namon. Wish ko lang, ma'am, sa imo birthday nga kabay pa tagaan ka ni Lord sang maayo lang nga lawas, kag madamo pa nga birthday nga i-celebrate mo. Once again, ma'am, happy birthday and enjoy your day. Love you!
Yay! May isa pa! Ginagawa mabuti lang anong namin nga regalo sa akong ni nanay. Ang mga she's very... Wala ka mo nagkatog. Courtesy of Shopee link ni Sir Rodel. Ihatag ta. Yay! Tapos, ay, feeling ko mas bagay ni sa ako. Ako na lang birthday. So, ako na lang ganda. Ito. Oh! Sige. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay, blow. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wish blow. Yay!
Yung isa pang-surprise na. And wala ba akong na-expect na may surprise nila si Rodeo. Parang surprise yung bahay niya na nag-bubli.
Salamat ni Celia.
Yung gani, o na alam nila. Na mundo. Thank you,
Ayaw kayo nakahapit kamo sa akong channel. Kung bago pa lang kamo diri, pindutang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Ruby Inspired!